you see the video?
No.
Oh. Yes. And then you take a picture of stupid. That is posing.
These are two natural sisters in their natural habitat.
That is posing.
Both oblivious to what is going on. Let's observe as they insult each other.
That was posing. That was posing.
The two females at the watering hole.
Watering hole? I was posing. You're such a poser.
Apparently female 1 was posing.
Why is she number 1? I'm older.
Well, she's on this side.
Because I was
What?
posing. Give you the thing.
Yes, these are two college students who are supposedly related.
I was posing. I'm the pretty one. That's the mean one. That can kick people's butt. Do you like my hair? That's good.
It's sexy.
Especially when it's on a daily basis. This is how I put you in the face on a daily basis.
As you actually make contact.
Oh!
As the fight begins over the knee. This is completely natural, as I've learned living here the past few days.
It's true. My hair does smell good. It does. I was posing. My eyes watering.